Good morning. Hi. Welcome to my Spend the Day with Me vlog. I just woke up. Let me open the curtains. I actually have quite a lot to do today. I'm gonna have warm water and then have breakfast and then go out to the shops because I have some things that I want to buy. Go to the mall, yeah. And then what? And then I have some laundry to do and shoot some content. Oh my word, a lot of content actually. There's a lot that I need to back up and do. And then I don't know what's up with the weather today, but it's still early, but it's 8. I mean, at this time, if it was going to be a sunny day, it should be sunny already. So I don't know. If the weather allows, I'm gonna go to the swimming pool and just chill because I feel like I need to chill a bit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and at the end of this video, please like it and comment, say whatever. And please connect with me on Instagram. If you don't follow me yet, please do, and let's chat, let's hang over there, because that's one of my favorite social media platforms. I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog and you enjoy spending the day with me. So before I have breakfast, I make sure to drink 500 milliliters or like 750 milliliters of warm water every morning. It's like my starter. My favorite cereal, by the way. Hi again. So I have showered. Hopefully I do look like I showered. I don't have any makeup on. I'm gonna put on makeup when I come back because I'm gonna have to create some content for 2 brands that I'm working with right now. Yeah, I'm gonna order an Uber. I'm not driving today. What else? Yeah, let me just drink some water and then go. I have written my list because I am that kind of girl. You know what, being everything that I am, being a wife, a sister, a caretaker, and then being a working woman, and then an influencer, a social media content creator, and a whole lot of other things that I do. I survive on noting things down. So if I don't do that, I would literally die. Like my whole life would fall apart. So that's why I note down everything. So let's go to the mall. My list is a bit long. I don't know where to start. Okay, I think I should start at Sheet Street. Is that even a good idea? Ah, whatever, must be done. Let me start there. Oh, here it is. C was a sign. Ended up coming to Pep Home because I'm not finding what I was looking for. I mean, I didn't find what I was looking for at Sheet Street. Let's hope I find it here. I want orange. 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 Fucking orange. No luck here either. Do we like this? I know we like this, but I do need something white. I'll show you all I got when I get home. Actually, the underwear that I decided to get. Show you when I get home. So now I'm at Game. I'm gonna buy double-sided tape because as much as I own my house, I don't like poking holes in the walls. Yeah, I mean, I know I can, but I just don't like doing that. So I'm gonna get double-sided tape because I want to buy paintings for the wall. I hope I find them because I've been looking. The last option is Mr. Price Home, which I will try after this. Hope I find the kind of paintings I'm looking for. Where is this aisle? Here it is, stationery. So it was one of my besties' birthdays this month, and I didn't get him a gift because what I had planned on getting him, he got himself, and I was like, what the fuck? So I just got him a cap, a new design that Markham just, yeah. I hope he likes it. I hope he likes the color. I know he likes caps, but I hope he likes the color. Oh, if he doesn't, I'm going to be so devastated because I always feel like I'm a really great gift giver. And when somebody doesn't like a gift that I get them, I get really pissed. So I needed to set up another appointment for next week. I thought I could get in something quick, but I set up an appointment for next week Tuesday. I thought I could just walk in. So I finally found what I was looking for. Got it at Mr. Price Home. Yeah, I want to go home now. Need to use the bathroom and then go home. Huh? What is it? I don't know. Does it taste like spare rib?
It's a little bit sweet.
Is it a little bit sweet?
Yes.
Perfect. Can I have it? So I'm done with my shopping, going back home. I'm waiting for my cab to arrive. I'm so hungry, but at least I bought a pie, which is somewhere in this big plastic bag. I'll eat it when I get home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, please do. Please subscribe. So I'm back home. I have a pair of scissors and a cutting knife. Okay, so let's see what I got. wash, which works as a wash, scrub, and mask. It's by Garnier. I like it a lot. And then I got this Moisture Bomb mask. And then I got myself some sunnies. I'm gonna wear them now after I do my makeup. And then, yeah, I got a nice pair. I make sure to spoil myself like this, very regularly. Oh yeah, and then lastly I got my friend's gift. I hope he likes it. I think this is a nice color. I really hope he likes it. And the material is also very nice. Well, I like it. You better like it. So let's go do makeup and then go hang by the pool because we deserve some light and some freshness. Oh my word. My flower looks like it's about to die. Let me show you. Let's water it a bit. I don't even do this regularly, but somebody gave me this flower as a gift. I like it, but wow, the maintenance. I'm torn between the two. So I am now on my way to the pool. I'm holding this wine glass like this because I don't want it to break in my beach bag. I'm wearing a matching bikini set because I wore a matching set last week when I was in Valito, and a friend that I trust so much told me that I should always wear a matching set. And that's what I'm doing from now on. Yeah. Let me show you how the view is. So ideally this isn't like the best weather to go hang out by the pool. Is that even how I say it? Whatever. But this is my kind of weather because I don't like sunburn. There's one thing that I hate the most is sunburn. So I like it when the weather is like this. Like it's not cold at all. It's hot, but it's not sunny. Okay. Here's the pool area. It's not even that, glamorous, but it does the job. I want to dip my feet in water. I think I have spent enough time with myself. I can go back indoors, shoot some of the content that I was supposed to. I've only done one brand so far. I should do another one when I get back to the house, and then my job is done for the day. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Share it if you can. Please share it, screenshot, post on your Instagram, and tag moi. So, my husband is back at home for the whole weekend, and I'm here at our house alone. Been here alone since Wednesday. It's been quite interesting. I've spent so much time on my own, and I really do enjoy my own company, by the way. But yeah, it's been fun. It's still fun. Sort out whatever is happening in here so that nothing loses its color and nothing attracts any color that it was not originally. Let me do that now. I'm just here chilling like a villain. Where did I hear that from? But in a movie. I should take off these earrings, remove my makeup, and treat my skin, and then start watching soapies. Hey honey. What? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine now.
Sorry, okay.
क्या प्रॉब्लम होना मेरी जीना?
Perifumani ntozo nrodi basi. Mtu wale na ndate basi.
Nimesema mshampeni.
Musialale wile mafite.
Ndio sasa kwa nini kada? Unataka kusikia nini vile kama?
Uprezi yake. How? We see the kamoka shopo. It's been happening to me all day in train. Like it's been like, what the hell? All day.
Which one do you think is banned? Last year.
So for the past 2 weeks, I've been watching Schitt's Creek, and unfortunately, I finished watching it, and now I'm watching Dead to Me. I feel like it's so dark, but a friend of mine said it wasn't. But I mean, who lives with a person that killed their husband? I mean, the truth ought to come out sometime. I think that's really dark, but it's also very funny. I have to go wash the dishes, but I think I'll do that later, way later. But I'm thinking this should be the end of my vlog. I hope you watched this video up till here. If you did, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please like this video and leave a comment down below. Have an amazing day, night, morning, whichever time you watch this video. Mwah!